Hi viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is DJ Lenny Vivo, V to the I to the V to the O. So coming up in this video guys, it's all about vaccination. Are you guys vaccinated as yet? Well, that's the issue. There's a very serious talk when it comes on to vaccination in Jamaica. A lot of people are vaccinated because they want to travel. You know what I mean? But if you're trying to go to the UK, that's a no-no. The UK government said that anyone that vaccinated in Jamaica are not accepted in their country. So that simply means that the vaccine that we're taking in Jamaica is not up to standard. You know what I mean? Why can't we get the best? We always get what left, you know what I mean? We're always late in everything, we're always there behind. So I'm gonna show you the video. I have a lot of video to show you guys. You know what I mean, what they're saying the vaccine is doing to people and other stuff like that. So the first video I'll be showing you guys is the video that come on TVJ this morning. So watch out guys.
Now, Jamaicans traveling to the United Kingdom have been facing unnecessary challenges as the UK government has not been accepting COVID-19 vaccination cards issued in Jamaica. The matter is of great concern as more countries, including the United States, now have plans of allowing only fully vaccinated visitors to their shores.
There you go guys, just to show you that everything that I'm saying is basically facts, you know what I mean? I'm not making up any stories. So for the past few days, people are basically saying that whenever man take the vaccine, it's basically lower their sex drive, you know what I mean? Even Nick Minaj went on Instagram live and was basically saying that one of our friends that take it is having erection problem when it come on to sex. So there you can see that it's international and it's also local. A lot of people have a lot of things to say and I do have a lot of videos, so hope you guys enjoy the videos. Please like, comment and share, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel guys, and please leave a comment in the comment section. Okay guys, so before I leave guys, I would like to know if you guys plan to take the vaccine or if you already take the vaccine, and if you don't want to take the vaccine, please let me know in the comment section, you know what I mean? One more thing, do you think the government is forcing the people to take the vaccine?
I'm not Bang Garden. Get up, stand up. Be a dictator if I go on a yard.
So we just gonna continue sit down and watching minority lead the majority as cheer. Come to think of it, the system always get what they want from the people. But what is it the people ever stand for and get it? Like, I don't see no resistance from the people. Like, you know, anything what the government say, oh, that them want, then the people them just do it without realizing, say, them have the power. And things are going to only get worse if we continue this way, not standing for something. Is what I say? Yeah, man. And for value on yourself, man. Value on yourself. No word more than what them want to think on the word. Is what I say? Seeing the people working with everything where the system put on them on the show, say, we are still slaves, basically.
This is a jacket of soaking. This is a jacket of soaking. You're under them government. All you have to do is sign up as a maroon. Jamaica people, you know the sense. Eh? You're under Babylon. That's why they have right to do this. You know the sense. You are maroon. You govern under them.
Yo, morning, Andrew Wellness, I me the Sprinter and Martin. We have a little suggestion. What we have to say right now? We have to say, boy, right now, last night, them man at their one party. Never go steal Andrew. They never go Andrew, but hear me I say Andrew. Me I say me get a new way to make the people them. You don't have to force them to get no vaccination. Them party every night. Just anytime you know in a party that you just hold everybody in a party. And when they feel like say a prison them a go, no. Now prison them and do. We are carry them for a vaccination site in the night, same time. And we are juke them. And we are juke them with beer Johnson & Johnson. Because we hard to catch them back. So we are going to juke them with the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. So who get vaccinated already, we are going to charge them. Yeah man, me and Martin there, man, and Prento, we are organize it from what they Andrew. And here we are going to go out. Them two ball at the party one night and them not get juke yet. Andrew, look for my hand. Me get my juke them and me have my card for sure, but give me a call still, my number 320-4103. Yeah,
Trouble.
Yeah, repeat everything again. Start all over. Talk over. My friend, talk back over.
Tuesday morning he take the vaccine. Yeah. Tuesday night the man come.
Yeah.
And me say, babes, I want stripper say me ready.
Yeah.
Then now when me stripper ready, me say it no fly up like what it used to fly up one time.
Yeah.
So me go upon me knee, me bite, me charm, me suck, me swallow the wood leave and get up. Andrew kill me man hood. When me there Andrew I want.
Good morning, Mr. Patterson, calling from CVM. Now, this is a situation. We're being locked out of our jobs because our boss sent out a memo to us that if we're not vaccinated or being tested once per week, we can't enter the compound. So we're outside of the compound, cannot get in because she instructed the security not to let us in. So that is why we're here, and that is why we're sending you this picture to let you know the injustice, the illegality, and the discriminating of this position taken by our CEO.
Wear your mask. Social distance. Take the vaccine.